What's up guys, Seth K Bani here. Now in this video I want to show you 5 tricks and tips you can use in Photoshop to speed up your workflow and to get your work done quickly for your clients. And so the first one I want to show you is how to use your eyedropper tool to select outside Photoshop. And to do that, you can just click on your eyedropper tool and you can see you can pick on anything. Just click and pick on anything. But then once you go off the canvas, it just seems to disappear. Now the best you can do is click and then hold it and drag. You can see on this particular side the colors keeps on changing, right? You can see as you click and hold, the colors keep on changing, and you can drag it even outside the canvas and then it is still working. You can even go to the let's see, to the share here, and the color over there still shows that, right? And so that's what you can do to it. Now also you can minimize it and then just pull any file or any folder or anything or any windows, anything like that, and then just open Photoshop again. Okay, now you can still click on the eyedropper tool, and then once you click and hold it, you can drag it outside the screen, and then the colors will keep on picking in the color box in Photoshop. All right, so let's go and let's pick maybe this color and let's select it. Now you can see it's showed over here, and that is the best way to use the eyedropper tool outside Photoshop. And the next thing is that when you're having Photoshop 2020 and above, you probably have this particular option on your Photoshop as well. I'm going to show you, and it is how to zoom in on a particular layer that you cannot really quite tell what it's on it. And so I have this and I have this. Now sometimes you do some work on it and you don't really know what exactly is on a particular layer. So I'm going to show you how to get it. What you do is you hold Alt button and then you click on the thumbnail. Once you click on it, it's going to show you the exact position of the whatever element is on that particular layer. So let's see, you can see I put in the yellow glue over there. That's where it is located. Now this white glue, sometimes it's very difficult to tell what the white glue is, but once you hold Alt and you click on the layer, it's going to show you exact position of the particular element on the layer. So let's see, white glue. Okay, and then say you have a lot of things on it, you can also find where the lorem ipsum is. Hold Alt and click on it, and then it will show you the position of the lorem ipsum in the middle. It's actually going to center it for you, and that's what I love about it. Okay, so now the next trick has to do with especially when you are somebody who is doing photo retouching or a little bit of retouching your photography. You like to work with the same images, but then one is actually zoomed in and the other one is quite zoomed out so that I can see the overall picture. Let me show you what I mean. We'll go to Windows and then let's go to Arrange, and then because we have only one tab opened over here, let's go there to Arrange and then let's click on the same one, and then it's going to open for us. You can see we have 2 of them. All right, and then let's go to Windows again, let's go to Arrange, and I'm going to 2 up vertical. So you can see I have both of them here like that. I'm going to click on this one, then now I can come and select the zoom tool, and then also make sure zoom all windows is ticked off. Scrubby zoom, you can leave it like that. Then I can click on Control and then plus to zoom in there. All right, and then maybe perhaps bring it here a little bit. Now what I want to do is I want to add some glow over here to the background. Now this particular one, okay, let me click on the and click on this one. This particular one, I want it to be zoomed out because I want to see the overall picture, but this side I really want to look at it. Let's just say I want to give it some glow in the background, so I'll just create a new layer like that, and then come and pick my brush tool and then go and set it to a soft round brush. All right, and then set my caps lock off, and then so you can see it over here. You can also see it over here. Increase the size a little bit, and then I'll just brush it there, zoom out a little bit. All right, I'll just brush it there like that, and then I'll go and then set it to let's see, linear dodge, and then I would like to also reduce the opacity a little bit. Okay, now it's 2, set it somewhere there. Now guys, you can see it is showing here as well. Now that's the interesting part of it. It's showing, you can see, and I take it off, it goes off, and then it also shows over here, and I could give it a different brush again. Whatever I do over here is going to be another representation on this particular side. Let's just say I also want to give it on the shoulder. I'm going to pick and I'm going to pick the color on the face, all right, to make it more realistic. And then this particular layer, I'm clicking on the brush tool, and then I'll click there too, and then I'll come and set it to linear dodge there like that. All right, so and then I'll perhaps click on my move tool and then move it there, and you can see, maybe I like to hide this one. You can see it just keeps on showing in the background. And the next trick I want to show you is this. Now you can see this particular image, there's a lot going on, but the color correction is just off, and we can do that with the curve adjustment. Okay, but we are not just going to meddle with all these lines over here. But you can see auto, just click on, select this side, click on auto, and then it will work on it for you. But then this particular image is not really working for us. Okay, it's not really working for us. What do we have to do? Let's go back. What do we have to do? Just hold alt and click on the auto. It's going to give you a secret option that many people do not know. And then I'll come and click on find dark and light colors. You can see automatically it works on it. It just works on it. So this is what it was before, and then this is what we have now. Now, even though you can click on the alt and click on auto, it gives you different options. You can see we have enhanced chromatic, we have enhanced per channel. Enhanced per channel is also quite good, and then find dark and light also, I think it's the same thing. Enhanced brightness is also quite bad. All right, now so we chose this particular one, and then you can click snap neutral midtones as well, and then you can click over here to save as default, so that anytime you have any such instances, it will just automatically work when you click on auto for you. It will just work out for you nicely, but we are not going to do that now. All right, so that is it, guys. And so if you love this video, please hit the bell icon and subscribe to this channel. There are more videos coming up, don't want you to miss it, right? And so guys, see you in the next video.